Okay, I think I got a temp fix on the elevator. Lots of tape, little metal reinforcement. Should work. See how it works today. Got about a 3 mile per hour. Not too bad. Alright, let's see how she does this time. Stability's on. Go with low rates for now. Okay, I think we're good. There we go. And it's still fluttering. Oh boy, there goes the tape. Still controllable. Kinda. I'll land it into the wind this time. Hopefully avoid that nose down mess I had. Okay, coming in. Actually, it's still flying. Oh, I can hear that thing. Oh yeah, half the elevator's gone. That's alright. That's what that thing was, fluttering to the ground. Alright, trying to bring her in. Right aileron, left rudder. Boy, this sucker doesn't want to come down. A little bit of wind today. Alright, let her down here easy. Oh well. Yeah, that tail's pretty much had it. Decal peeled back. Oh boy. Yeah, that elevator shot. Surprised it was flying as well as it did. Okay. Well, I guess I'll wait till Tuesday when I get the new parts in. Move on to the next airplane.